Hi Katie, this is going to be a review on how to combine these three different products into one product with more variations. So we've got the edge liners, all Denali texture, the bullnose, the flat edge, and the hammered edge. And we're going to make one product out of them with two different variations to choose from. So here on the attributes, we're going to make sure that we've got these all ready to go. The edge type did not have a couple of these entered yet, so I did go ahead and add those already. If you do need to add more, just come here and hit Configure Terms. And you can add more. You put the name here, you put the slug here. The slug is just basically a repeat of the name, but there can't be any capitals or spaces, so you just make it all lowercase and you replace the spaces with hyphens. So you can see bullnose, capital B, capital N with a space turns into lowercase with a hyphen in between. In any case, we have those all ready to go at this point, so we're going to go ahead and come to Products. I'm going to add a new product. Let's just go ahead and copy this. Let's add it to the correct category here on the side. I'm going to go ahead and skip the product description for now. And we will come down here. We will change this to a variable product. And then we're going to come right here to attributes. We're going to pick the two attributes that we want, which in this case is size and edge type. And then we're only going to add the values that we need for these products. So here we've got the 2, 3.5, 5.5, 7.5, and for the type, we've got the flat, we've got the bullnose, and we've got the hammered. Let's go ahead and save those. Come right here, once that's done, to variations. Now, there's this automated process to create variations from all attributes, which we're going to go ahead and use, but just to let you know when you're setting these up, you can see here that we've only got one size available for the bullnose. So when we do this automated process, it's going to create a couple of variations that we don't need. So it's going to, in other words, it's going to match up each one of these edge types with each one of the sizes available. So there's 3 different edge types, and it's going to match this up with each of the 3 sizes. So we're going to have, the other 3 sizes to delete after we do it, the 3.5, the 5.5, and the 7.5. But that's a lot quicker to use the automated process and delete rather than create them all by hand. So let's go ahead and hit go here, hit OK. Sure enough, it's created all 12 variations for us. So let's see, it's the bullnose that we only want the small size of, so let's go ahead and delete the bullnose 3.5, the bullnose 5.5, and the bullnose 7.5. And then let's just go ahead and arrange these in a way that's going to make it easier for us to fill everything out. There we go. So let's come to the bullnose and we'll edit this product. If you have 2 screens, it's going to make it a lot easier. Let's come right down here to the variations. Price is $59, I believe. All right, so we're set on one. There's the field down here, the description, where if you want a secondary description to show up when they choose that selection, like I showed you in the meeting, that's where that goes. Let's go ahead and close that up. Cancel. All right, and so then we've got wait, what happened there? Copy, paste. All right, so we've got the flat edge. Let's go ahead and close this out. Edit the product. I'm not going to do the whole thing here on the video with you because I think it'll be a waste of billable hours, but anyway, we come to the variations here. Start with the small one. Scale. Price is $59 again. And the weight and size is the same. And 3.5. And then we've got 15 pound. And the price is $92. Let's go ahead and save this as a draft rather than publishing it so that it does not become visible on the front end of the site. We can go ahead and view the product. And then you can see we've got here, you can choose, and you can choose. And here is our price for that. Here's our price for that. If we change this to the larger size, we get the larger price. It will only show the variations that have prices entered for them. Because obviously you can't add it to your cart unless there's a price entered, so that's why there's only some of these showing up. I will go ahead and add the rest of these, and then we will come back and just put the little end on this video. Thanks. Okay, so here we are. The product is pretty much done. You can see we need a picture here still. Again, I will leave that to you, but you set the main product image here, and then you can add the additionals down here for changing out the gallery. But the main part is done here, so you can see if you choose the edge type of bullnose, then only the one size is available. When you select that, the price shows up. Same with the flat edge. Then all the sizes are available, and as you move up, you can see the price increases here. So choose the 5.5, it goes up to 126, and the 7.5 goes up to 167. Same for the hammered here. So yeah, those are the basics of how to do the combining. If you've got a lot of these to do, There might be a way we can do it through a spreadsheet that maybe is a little bit easier. Let me know what your thoughts are after you view this. Thanks so much.